communication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers. Using a keyboard. Hello, what if you can't talk to anyone and you want to say something? There is no need to worry. We can write or print. But before we can print, we have to type on the keyboard. So let's learn how to do that. Hello young typist. Today we are going to embark on an exciting journey to master the keyboard. Learning how to use a keyboard is a valuable skill that will open up a world of communication and creativity. Get ready for some fun tips and tricks to become a keyboard pro. Let's get started. Keyboard basics. Let's start with the basics. The keyboard is like a musical instrument, but instead of playing notes, we type letters, numbers and symbols. It has rows of keys with letters from A to Z, numbers from 8 to 9, and special keys like Enter, Shift and Spacebar. The small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. There are several keys on the keyboard letters. Let's learn about these keys. Alphabet keys. Typing letters, words and sentences is done using alphabet keys on the keyboard. For example, to type India, press the keys I, N, D, I, A. Number keys. The numeric keys on the keyboard range from 0 to 9 and are used to type numbers. For example, you want to type 95, press 9 and 5. Spacebar key. This is the longest key on the keyboard, which allows us to give space between words when typing words. Backspace key. The backspace key helps us to erase the letters or numbers one by one from the left side to the cursor. Enter key. Enter key is used to start a new line. It's also called the return key. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type the letters in capital. Let's play a game. Look at this image of a computer keyboard and count the number of keys given on the keyboard. Alphabet keys, number keys, enter key, spacebar key, caps lock key. Total keys on the keyboard. Congratulations, young keyboard maestros. You have learned some valuable tips and tricks for using the keyboard like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep typing, exploring and honoring your skills. The keyboard is a powerful tool for communication, creativity and expression. Embrace the wonders of typing and let your fingers dance across the keys with the confidence and joy. Thank you. See you in the next chapter.